Buongiorno, we're here today to watch the Grana Padano cheese production. We're gonna go inside and see the whole process from milk to cheese. We're gonna watch them take it out of the water. We're gonna watch them shape it into its plastic molds, imprint it with its serial number. We're gonna go into the cheese room and see all of the wheels of cheese where they're stored for over 9 months. And then the best part, we're gonna break into the wheel, we're gonna try some cheese. Watch the cheese being made. First, the milk is placed in these vats where the whey is added, it's heated, it's agitated until it gets the right texture. So many of these steps have to be done by hand so you can feel if the cheese is ready for the next step. It's sliced underwater, it's cut into half, and then they use the cheesecloth to mold it into the 2 different wheels. They start with 260 tons of milk a day, and they produce 350 wheels of cheese a day. That's a lot of cheese. The cheese wheels are then brought into this refrigerated room where they're in their plastic molds. They have a heavy lid on top which helps shape them into the mold. They're turned constantly with the cheesecloth to get them in the right shape, and then eventually they're imprinted with the fascera, which says Grana Padano, and all the different serial numbers that give this cheese wheel its own identity. Now we're in the best room of all, my personal heaven, the cheese room. All the wheels are kept here for at least 9 months, and then the consortium comes and checks them, makes sure that they're up to par, up to the standards. The Riserva ones, the extra great wheels, the cheesemaker keeps for 20 months, where they're then checked again. They're tapped and tested, and if they pass the test after 20 months, they can become the Riserva wheels for Grana Padano. Now we are tapping this 27-month-old wheel of Grana Padano. We're checking for defects, but of course this one's already been fire branded, so we know there's none, but let's test it out. Sounds good. Freshly cut 27-month-old Grana Padano. Smells amazing. We're here at the Grand Hotel Fasano right by Lake Garda, and we're gonna meet up with Chef Matteo Felter to see how he makes his signature Grana Padano risotto.